JOLLA, Calif. The 121st US Open is underway Thursday at Torrey Pines. After an early weather delay spanning 90 minutes was prompted by intense fog, the course has cleared up but is playing more challenging and firm as the day wears on. Play is expected to go deep into the evening on the west coast. Early groups from the morning suggests there's scores to be had despite the tricks Torrey can present, however. Two-time U Open champion Brooks Koepka is one of the few who maneuvered the track with ease, opening his weekend with a 2-under-69 in round 1. Henley also had a strong start, finishing 4 under and pacing the morning flight. Francesco Molinari and Rafa Cabrera Bello are 3 under. Looming in the evening is a number of the world's top golfers led by reigning champion Bryson DeChambeau, who is again among the favorites. DeChambeau will try to deploy his hit it as far as humanly possible, find it and hit it again strategy once again after doing so successfully last year at Winged Foot. Many other narratives will emerge, too. U Opens are always chaotic, and this one will undoubtedly also fit that mold. CBS Sports will update this story with scores and highlights from the U Open below. Check out the live scores at the top of this story, a more detailed leaderboard, round 1 tee times and our complete viewer's guide.